In this lecture, I will show you how you can plot, print and set the scale according to your sheet in AutoCAD. So first of all, here is the model, here is the layout. Here you will adjust the printing area, means paper size, A4, A3, A2, any paper size. Okay, so I will start from a sketch file. Here I will click plus icon for new layout. Okay, when I have clicked here you see layout 2. Okay, I will click that layout and press delete. Okay, so now I will go in the here I will click AutoCAD icon. Here is the print page setup. Okay, here you will click, here you will see the layout 2. So now I will click modify. I want to modify. Okay, in this example or in this lecture I will show you the printing according to for the paper size A3. Okay, you can select any size, A3, A4, A2, there are many other sizes. Okay, so I will select A3 paper size. Here you can select your printer. Okay, which printer you have installed. Okay, whatsoever, HP LaserJet 2014. So now I am selecting the printing media, Adobe PDF. I will print the current AutoCAD file to PDF. Okay, so here I have selected the paper size, and here is the what to plot layout. Okay, whatever the layout is, that will be plotted for the printing. Okay, here you will select the scale. Okay, so we can adjust later. So just make sure that you have to select the units, that one on which units you have drawn your drawing. Okay, and now I have drawn my drawing on inch system, so I will select inches. Okay, now I will select portrait or landscape. Okay, so I am selecting currently landscape. You can also select portrait. Okay, I will show you. Okay, here you can see in the background, that is the portrait. I will again go back, modify. I will click landscape, and here at the top, that is plot style table. For example, in the model my lines are of blue and yellow colors. So if I want to go for printing, if I select monochrome, okay, then all the lines will be printed into the black color. And if I select AutoCAD or none, then my drawings will be printed into as it is, that color I have used in the drawing. So I will select monochrome for the black printing. Okay, so that's all. I will select click OK, click close. Now you can see here is the paper. Okay, so now I will type viewports, hit enter. Okay, so if you want to see the printing style like this way, okay, whatsoever, I will use the simple drawing method. Okay, if you are printing 3D, then you can select 3D, otherwise select 2D and press OK. Now select the position from which point to which point. This is your A3 size sheet. Okay, so here I will show you. Here, okay, I will use this much space for printing and this much space for my title block, my seal, my signature, my drawing number, my revision, my scale. Okay, all types of things. Okay, here you can make your okay, I will show you just the simple way. Okay, so now I will just make the copy of this, copy from this point. You can make your title block or seal as per your requirement. Okay, or any style, beautiful. Okay, so now I will enter anything. Now here is drawing number. For example, drawing number is 101. Okay, I will copy from this point. Okay, now I will enter revision number. Okay, CADman, architect, scale, drawing, scale, then Control C, Control V, drawing name or drawing title. Okay, drawing title, for example, example of plotting and printing. Okay, so you can also put the logos in picture form. Now I will set this drawing according to scale. So how we do that? So I will just double click in the inside. Okay, you will see now it's enabled. When I click double click outside, now it is disabled. The inner view is disabled. So I will double click in the inside. Okay, so for the scaling, here is the option for scaling. So if I select 1:1,100, that is too small. Okay, so if I select 1:20, that is much bigger, and if I go 1:8, that is still too small. If I go 1:4, that is looking good, and if I go 1:2, that is much good, but okay, that is too good. 1:2, all the drawing is coming in the sheet. Okay, so I will press escape and double click outside, and now I can mention the scale 1:2, but remember 1:2, the drawing is drawn into the fits. Okay, for example, annotate from this point to this point. Okay, 5 feet 3 inch. Okay, so what does mean with the scale 1:2? It means that, okay, here double click, you will see a 1:2. It means that 1 inch is equal to 2 feet. That is the annotation is 2 feet. Okay, so it means your scale is 1:24, 24 inch. Here I will mention drawing scale 1:24. Okay, it means that if you measure 1 inch with the help of scale on this drawing, okay, 1 inch, then on the ground or in the real, that 1 inch will be equal to 24 inch, means 2 feet. Okay, and you can also adjust the scale as per your requirements. Okay, here double click inside, the model is enabled. When you will click on the model, the paper side will be enabled. Okay, now I will again click model. Here in the scale, custom scale, you can add your own scale like 1:3, 1:7, 1:8, 1:9. Okay, you can also define as per your requirements. Okay, now you can see when I am clicking and scrolling up and down, it is changing. So how to fix that? I will again zoom it, double click inside, and here I will again change the scale to 1:2. Okay, and adjust it. When I adjust, okay, press escape. Here is the option lock. Okay, when I click lock, Now if I click zoom in or zoom out, now it is fixed. So now I will go for printing into the PDF. You can just go print and select Adobe PDF and go OK. Okay, it will ask where you want to save the file. Okay, for example, save. Okay, you can see here. Now I will rotate it. Okay, one. Here you can see scale, all the things are printed as per our parameter set. Okay, now all the drawings also in black color. Okay, in gray color. Okay, why we have set in the style monochrome. And you can also go for printing into the PDF just in the output, export to PDF. It will directly take you there into the PDF. Here you can also reinforcement, that is drawing sheet name, save. That will again take your drawing to the printing side. So that's all for plotting, printing and scaling in the AutoCAD. Have a nice day.